Hello viewers, I'm Ashwin, the team leader of FitFix. We have chosen the software project in which we are going to design an app. The description of our project is optimizing the doctor availability and appointment allocation in hospital through digital technology and AI integration. Our project contains two parts. The first one is checking the doctor availability and the second part is appointment allocation. So we are going to create an app in which we are going to know the presence of doctor and book the appointment. So this is the first slide in which we have given a small intro of our project and mentioned the technology stacks that we are going to use and the benefits of our app. Smart Health Appointment Scheduler is a comprehensive system that leverages digital technology and AI to streamline doctor availability and appointment allocation in hospital. Let's go to the technology stack that we are using in our app. For front-end framework, we are going to use AngularJS, which allows to use the same language on the server and the client, which can make the development process more efficient and seamless. Google Cloud for Cloud Database. Google's cloud platform offers a wide variety of database services. Of these, its NoSQL database services are unique in their ability to rapidly process very large dynamic datasets with no fixed schema. PyTorch is a machine learning framework based on the Torch library, used for applications such as computer vision and natural language processing. Originally developed by Meta AI and now part of Linux Foundation umbrella. And we are going to use PVTorch for artificial intelligence and machine learning. Transport layer security for the encryption technique. Transport layer security encrypts data sent over the internet to ensure that hackers are unable to see what you transmit, which is particularly useful for private and sensitive information such as passwords, credit card numbers, and personal correspondence. And finally, we are going to use OpenCV Python for face recognition software, which will be explained in the upcoming slide.
Let's move on the benefits of our app. Our app has several benefits like time and cost savings, increased convenience, improved communication, fills appointment gaps, and data analytics. Our app name is MIDI and this is the logo of our app. This is our second slide, which includes use cases and dependencies. Let me explain about use cases. You can open our app, then you can find the nearby hospitals or the hospitals present in your convenient area. After selecting hospital, you are asked to choose the category of your problem so that respective doctor will give treatment. For example, if you have heart problem, you can go for cardiologist section and you have an option of selecting the cardiologist from the available cardiologist. Then you can make an appointment and you will receive an appointment confirmation message immediately after booking the appointment. We also have a special feature in our app which will send appointment reminder message if you are close to your appointment date. Considering the night workers, we are giving 24-hour service through our app. In case of minor problems such as allergies and rashes, you can take the online consultation with our specialist and the prescribed medicine will be delivered to you and you can have an online payment. Let's see about dependencies. Budget and financial support, change management, patient education, legal and ethical consideration, user testing and feedback, scalability, regularity compliance, feedback mechanism, maintenance and updates. The next slide is the prototype of our app. The first page is the login page, which has 4 types of login, namely admin login, hospital login, patient login, and doctor login. You can log in the app by signing up and creating an account in our app. The second page is the follow-up of patient's login page, where we can choose the required medical field. It contains sections like cardiologist, dentist, ophthalmologist, pregnancy, stomach, checkup, medicine, neurology, and reappointment. By going into the medical section, you can buy the medicines prescribed by the doctor. The third page is the place where we can choose the doctor of their preference. By seeing their reviews and their experience, we can choose the doctor. By choosing the doctor, you will lead to the page where you have an information about the doctor and you also have an appointment option there where you can make your appointment. The next page is the place where you can select your flexible time and date for your appointment. In case you have booked the appointment at the flexible time and suddenly you are engaged with some other work on the same day, you can go to the reappointment section in the second page and you can do reappointment by changing your date and time. Like this, our app will provide you many services which will be very useful for the patients as well as doctors.
We have 3 unique features in our app, namely emergency icon, family medical history, and regular blood pressure and sugar checking. A medical emergency icon serves several important purposes like immediate recognition, reduced language barriers, quick response, psychological comfort, public awareness, and finally consistency. Let me explain you about the use of an emergency icon by 2 case studies. Case study 1. When a person is met with an accident, he or she can use this emergency icon. The emergency icon will be present on the lock screen of a phone. When the injured person just give a click on this emergency icon, the alarm will be automatically sent to the nearby hospital and they can access the location and the ambulance will be sent to the spot to give the proper treatment at the proper time. Case study 2. Suppose a pregnant woman is going for grocery shopping. On her way back home, she suddenly feels dizzy and sits down. Then she notices that she's bleeding. And when she calls, no one is picking at the call. Now she's helpless. At the time, she remembers the emergency icon and uses it. Overall, medical emergency icon plays a crucial role in public health and safety by facilitating rapid response and reducing barriers to accessing essential medical services and information. And the second one, it is the medical family history. One way to record a family history is by drawing a family tree called a pedigree. A pedigree represents family members and relationships using standardized symbols, that is, symbol peg. The sample pedigree shown contains information such as age or date of birth. Also for all deceased family members, age at death and the cause of death. And major medical problems with age of onset, birth defects, learning problem and mental retardation, also vision loss or hearing loss at a very young age. For family members with known medical problems, ask whether they smoke, what's their diet, and the exercise habits, also if they are overweight. Incorporating a family medical hierarchy feature into medical consultation app can offer several benefits like comprehensive patient history, informed decision making, early detection, personalized health recommendations, health education, and emergency situations. However, privacy and data security considerations are critical when implementing such a feature as sensitive health information is involved. Robust security measures and user content mechanisms should be in place to protect this data.
And the next is regular blood pressure and sugar level checking, in which you will check your BP level and sugar level regularly and update it in the app. In case of any abnormality, the AI will recommend the diet that needs to be followed. In case of any severe abnormality, the AI will suggest to meet the doctor immediately, then automatically the appointment will be booked at a flexible time. Regular updating of blood sugar levels and BP levels will help you for health monitoring, personalized insights, medication management, data sharing, telehealth report monitoring, and early detection. And the important part of our project is the patient virtual queue. It enriches the wait time experience, create more satisfied, happy customers, enhance customer flow, improve productivity and efficiency, reduce actual wait time, increase sales.
And next is the most important part of the project, that is the face recognition code. This is our face recognition code. First of all, doctor will come in front of camera module. It will take input and Python will check if there is a human face in the frame or not. If there is a human face, it will compare that face with the faces present in the database. If the face matches, it will create a CSV file in which doctor's name and the entry time will be updated every day. We are gonna use several packages for this. The first is the OpenCV, which will take the input from the webcam or any external camera module, process it and get it to the face recognition. And now the face recognition, and this is the showstopper. Here it will recognize the faces and compare the faces from already present faces in our database. We will be using NumPy array and CSV packages will be used to handle the CSV files. We are creating, updating, doing all these things with the help of CSV files only. Date and time will be used to get the exact date and time.
Important part of our project is the patient virtual queue. It enriches the wait time experience, create more satisfied, happy customers, enhance customer flow, improve productivity and efficiency, reduce actual wait time, increase sales. We are working on the patient virtual queue and soon we will find a code for this. We have also mentioned the link of the journals of doctor appointment app using face recognition to know doctors present in our PPT for reference. Thank you.